So today I'm going to show you how to use PlayStation VR in your racing simulation. On this tutorial I will show you how to use this in iRacing VR. So the thing that you need from PlayStation VR is the headset itself, but the audio out will not usable, so you have to use different audio out. The backup box, this one is connecting PSVR to the box. One USB cable plug in into your USB 3.0 port, and one HDMI cable from your GPU to the HDMI labeled HDMI PS4 on the back of the breakout box. So I will show you how to achieve this, but before that you have to go to Steam application, search for iVRy application and download the free version first. Okay, right now I just installed the breakout box. So one USB goes to here, USB 3, power supply for the breakout box. This is for the cable for the headset, and this USB actually is labeled in HDMI PS4, goes into GPU HDMI port over here. Okay, next you open Steam and search for iVRy. iVRy. Okay, iVRy driver for Steam VR. So what you need is I already bought this, so you need to download this and install in your PC, and also download SteamVR. So you need to install SteamVR too. So install these two applications first, and let's configure iVRy for PSVR. So to run iVRy, you need to run SteamVR first. So let's run SteamVR. So SteamVR is already starting. So the iVRy configuration windows are already running in your mini tray. Let's double click and open it. Okay, so let's follow my setting. So this is the menu, and the performance is I set 1080p. Resolution, frame rate is 90 Hz. Tracking is 240. Connection HDMI. Driver mode is direct VR. Okay, for driver mode ni, you need to open SteamVR and click settings, SteamVR settings. Okay, choose the refresh rate is 90. Motion smoothing I don't think is good, I turn it off. Resolution per eye maintain 90%. Okay, motion smoothing is off. Application, okay. I think that's the thing that you need to change at SteamVR. Let's show advanced setting, developer mode. Menu debuggy no need. Allow saving of timing info no need. Shutdown no need. Okay, good. So on here, on headset, I use IPD around 68 mm. Change this accordingly to your eye setup. For tracking, I put it onto maximum 240 Hz. SteamVR render resolution. Driver mode is direct VR, not extended, not virtual, but direct. The render resolution is 1440p because my PC can handle it. Okay, recenter nani. Okay. Then we exit SteamVR. Okay, right now. So to enable VR in iRacing, you need to go to My Documents, go to iRacing, right click, edit with Notepad to enable OpenVR. So find, okay, before this I use Oculus Rift. Okay, Oculus Rift, I need to disable Oculus Rift. Okay. Wait to 0. Now I have to enable OpenVR. Enable VR, enable. Okay, and save and run iRacing. Okay, let's test this. Next, open iRacing Motorsport Simulation. We need to change and adjust the graphic settings for VR. So in here, change the resolution probably 920 to 1080. Set sky and clouds to high or depending on your PC, or medium or low detail. For my case, I set it high because I like the high refresh rate for sky. Set the car to low. Pit objects turn off, event off, grandstands off, crowds off, object off, particle probably I need to see some action. I put it into high detail. Tick, full rest and soft. Max car set to 20 or lower. Frame rate set to no limit. On the middle section, anisotropic filtering set to 8. And AA sample set to 4 times. Untick render dynamic type data, untick render dynamic type data. Shadow maps off. Set to PCP F16p filter. Shadow quality set to high detail. On the right side, set cockpit mirrors max to 2. Because my PC can handle HDR, I tick HDR and just follow whatever that settings that you see here. And I set max pre-rendered frame for VR set to 4 for extra smoothing that you can achieve or experience. Set the video memory to 8 gig or 8192 megabyte depending on your GPU card. Set to system memory up to maximum you can allocate. In this case, maybe I just leave 1 gig for the system, and click done and quit. Next, open back renderer.dx11.ini, then enable back OpenVR, set to 1. Save. Now this is the fun part to enable to turn on your PSVR. So you can see me. To turn on the PSVR, the button is on the below here. So you can hear a bleep. Okay, run. Make sure to run SteamVR. Okay, and my SteamVR is running down here. So let's have a test. So as you can see, after turning on, the blue lights is coming out. It's been lightened up. So this, but I think you are familiar on how to wear PSVR. In my case, PSVR doesn't properly start, so I have to turn off. I forgot to run SteamVR, so I'm running SteamVR right now. So as you can see, if I move the headset left and right, the orientation is following the headset path. So okay, make sure to map a button for recenter. Okay, quite comfortable. Okay. Click option, click graphic, click control. I forgot to tell you to recenter HMD. Okay, so I set a button. Okay, right now I will drive a car around Landmark Park, and I have to use dedicated headset because the headphone in the SteamVR was not supported. Nevertheless, I can drive properly. Okay, let's follow me driving around Landmark Park. Okay, you will need some time to adjust with the VR. Okay, for me so far so good, not so much different from Oculus Rift. In fact, it's much better than Oculus Rift CD1, much more clearer. I will show you something. The frame rate generated by iRacing. Press F. Okay, so I will bring the frame meter a bit down. Cannot. Okay, I cannot show you, but the frame rate is registering at 90 frames per second. So if you're first time using VR, you need some time to give some time to enable your head to be comfortable with VR. Maybe like 1 hour per day, and repeat it for a week. So smooth. The HDR effect also very surreal. Wow, much more better than Oculus Rift CD1. Okay, very good. Okay, another lap. So compared to Oculus CD1, I prefer PSVR at 90 frames per second. Wow. So much better than CD1. Oh wow! This I will not reverse back to CD1. I will not reverse back. Okay, I think that's it. So as you can see how smooth it is, PSVR in the test session that I just did just now. So to recap, the software is, okay, let me show you back again. This is my iVRy setting. Just remember this. Resolution is 9020 x 1080. Frame rate is 90 per second. Tracking is 240. Driver mode is direct VR. And for SteamVR, render resolution is 2560 x 1440. Okay, that's it. I think. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera.